This is how to order textbooks at the Illini Union Bookstore on our website. The bookstore's website is bookstore.illinois.edu, and from the textbooks top navigation menu, you choose Buy, Reserve, and Rent. This is where I am right now. Shopping course materials. First, you'll select the campus term. Right now, we are in fall 2020. Select a department. Today, I'm going to use law as the example. Select a course. This is going to be just the information that you're pulling from your actual class schedule. And then the section, again, that will be on your schedule. So you've entered the information for your course, and you're going to add the course to the list. Then you can click on the orange button that says Get Your Books. Once you click on this button, it takes you to the next screen, which will show your options for the books. Now, this particular course has something called DC, which stands for Digital Content. So that would be an ebook. This is provided by RedShelf. And this has a textbook. The textbook in red shows it's required. The optional is in green. That means the professor wants you to have the text, but it is optional to get the digital RedShelf. If you choose the digital RedShelf, then you will get an email with a link for that information. If you choose the textbook, then obviously you'll get the hard textbook. So if you want these items, you can choose 1 or 0, and you can click on Purchase. And it takes you to the checkout screen. If that's the only course that you're buying for today, you're ready to click Checkout and proceed with the payment information. I'm going to click on Continue Shopping to add another course. So again, textbooks. We're still in fall. Law. And this one is course 603. This course I'm choosing because I want you to see what a Pick One looks like. So again, we've got an optional here in green showing the RedShelf, which is that digital content. And then these 2 books here. This one, it says Pick One at the bottom, binding hardback. And then the third option says binding paperback, Pick One. When you see something that says Pick One, that literally means you either choose the hardback or you choose the paperback. You do not need to choose all of these options. It's just whatever format you prefer. You may see Pick One when it comes to digital content. Sometimes it's loose leaf and paperback and hardback. Those are pretty much the options. Also, a rental, you would only choose one. You do not need all of these formats. So then I'm going to go ahead and say, I prefer the paperback. That is a cheaper option. And so then I'm changing those quantities to 0 and leaving the paperback as a quantity of 1. And then you can go click Purchase. And again, now we're at the shopping cart. If you had another course, you would add it. But if you're ready to check out, then you click on the orange checkout button, and that will bring us to the payment screen. You can log in or you can continue as a guest. Continuing as a guest is a little bit faster, but if you wanted to keep any of your information, then you'll need to create an account. You get to this checkout screen for textbooks. It brings you to this screen about substitutions. There's some information about you may have chosen new, but if we don't have a new in stock, in order to serve you as the customer, we will provide a used, and vice versa is true. Then you're going to click that Continue to Shipping Information button at the bottom. This is where you'll provide your email address, how you're going to ship them. Now, we do offer shipping, but we also offer a pickup at the bookstore. So if you want to pick them up when you're on campus, you can certainly do that. There is no charge for pickup. However, if you're not coming to campus or you want them shipped out, then you can choose the UPS Ground or one of the other options. Once you do that in your email, then you're going to provide your shipping information. You do need to provide shipping information even if it is a pickup order. It's required fields. Then you'll continue to the payment information, and that screen is where you'll provide your credit card information, or if you're paying on a Doors or DCFS or Illinois Promise, those are options as well. Thank you for watching.